Welcome to Reyes Drywall INC, located in New Windsor, New York. With 10 years of experience, our team is dedicated to providing professional services and ensuring customer satisfaction. Our services include residential drywall, commercial drywall installation, painting services, sheetrock installation, taping. We are committed to delivering top quality results and reliable craftsmanship to enhance your home or business. Contact us today at 845-235-7702 or visit our website at reyesdrywallinc.com to learn more. Trust Reyes Drywall INC for all your drywall and painting needs.